Hey there, welcome back to the App Barista channel, where we dive into the wonderful world of coffee. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. Drumroll please. An adventure with the original Aeropress recipe. Yup, the one by the Alan Adler. And we'll be brewing it in the way the very first Aeropress was brewed. We all know Alan Adler, right? For those who don't, he's the brilliant mind behind the creation of the Aeropress. Alan's passion for coffee led him to design the Aeropress, which combines simplicity, efficiency, and incredible flavor. His dedication to perfection and his relentless pursuit to a great cup of coffee are evident in every aspect of this remarkable device. We are about to uncover the secrets of the original Aeropress recipe. Alan Adler suggests Aeropress like fine grind for best results. This helps in extracting flavors and aromas from the coffee beans. Now that we have our fine ground coffee ready, let's move to the water temperature. For light roast, Alan recommends using water at around 85 degrees Celsius, while for a medium roast, a slightly lower temperature at around 80 degrees Celsius is recommended. Remember, the water temperature plays a crucial role in extracting the desired flavors from the coffee. So make sure to use a thermometer or a kettle with temperature control to achieve the desired results. Alan suggests using around 85 to 90 grams of water for 15 grams of coffee. This allows you to control the strength and flavor of your brew. Now that we have our Aeropress assembled, the water at right temperature and coffee grounds in place, it's time to start the brewing process. Begin by pouring a small amount of water into the Aeropress, saturating all the coffee grounds evenly. This is called the bloom phase and it helps release the trapped gases from the freshly ground coffee. After a brief bloom, continue pouring the water slowly and steadily, ensuring all the coffee grounds are evenly saturated. Take your time to extract full flavors. Once all the water is poured, it is time to give it a gentle stir to proper extraction of the coffee. Now, let the coffee steep for around 20 to 60 seconds depending on your preferred strength. This allows the water to extract the flavors from the coffee grounds. After the desired steeping time, it's time to press. Firmly but gently, press the plunger down, exerting even pressure throughout the process. Now here's the bonus tip. Alan suggests that once you press the plunger down, pull it back up slightly. This helps prevent drips and ensures a clean extraction. As you press, you will notice the rich aroma and beautiful coffee flowing into your cup. The Aeropress offers clean and smooth coffee with full-bodied flavors. A delicious cup of coffee brewed using Alan Adler's original Aeropress recipe. Take a moment to savor the flavors and enjoy the wonderful aromas. That's delightful. We hope that you enjoyed this journey into brewing the original Aeropress recipe. Now, we would love to hear from all of you. Have you tried brewing coffee with Alan Adler's original recipe? What are your thoughts and experiences? Share them with us in the comments below. Before we wrap up, if you are looking to brew coffee using Aeropress, we have included a link in the video description where you can find all the equipments that you need to make a perfect cup of coffee. So be sure to check that out. Thank you for joining us in this Aeropress brewing adventure. Remember, coffee brewing is an art and the Aeropress allows you to unleash your creativity while enjoying a delicious cup of joe. Cheers to great coffee and happy brewing.